write your answer as a fraction in simplest form. So when we are looking at multiplying fractions against whole numbers, you got to think about that whole number not as a whole number but as a fraction, because every whole number is simply itself over 1. So we've got a fraction of 4 over 15 times 10 over 1. Now you can go ahead and multiply this out like this, 4 times 10, 15 times 1, but it's better to usually cross simplify, meaning let's see if we can divide top numbers on the top and bottom by the same number, a common factor, and we can. 10 and 15 can both be divided by 5. So if I divide 10 by 5, I get 2. If I divide 15 by 5, I get 3. And that's the balance. If we're doing something to the top overall, we had to do something to the bottom as well. It doesn't matter that they're separated. They've now combined because they're as one giant fraction because of the multiplication. Now it's most simplified. Now we can multiply across. We get 4 times 2 on the top, 3 times 1 on the bottom, and we get 8 over 3. Now we want simplest form. They may accept this as an improper fraction, but usually simplest form means a mixed number. So how do we convert it to a mixed number? We see how many times does 3 fit into 8? It fits in it 2 times. And then what's left over? Well, 3 goes in once, twice, that's 6. So we pull a 6 out of the 8, and what's left is just a 2 over 3. So this reduces to 2 and 2/3. All right, let's do the next question here. We've got the same dealio, 4 over 21 times 7 over 1, straight away converting it to an improper fraction over 1. Let's cross simplify. The 21 and the 7 can both be divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And now we multiply across. 4 times 1 and 3 times 1, we get 4 over 3. And again, same thing to simplify this or turn it into a mixed number. 3 goes into 4 once. And then what do we have left over up here? Well, we just have a 1 remainder of 1 if we did that division, and that's what stays over the 3, and so it's 1 and 1/3. All right, let's keep going. Last one. 9 over 1, straight away just putting it over 1 times 2 over 15. Now let's cross simplify. 9 and 15 can both be divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Multiply across, we get 6 over 5. How many 5s fit into the 6? 1, with a remainder of 1. And if 1 stays over that denominator of 5, so we have 1 and 1/5.